Alright folks, hello, my name is Larry with TX Dash Covers, and today I'd like to explain when you're trying to change or add a thumbnail image to a YouTube video, you have a lot of problems trying to do it, and you get the error message, unexpected end of JSON input, and this is on your YouTube channel. I've been dealing with this issue now for 3 or 4 weeks, and I finally figured out what the issue was on my end. It may not be the same on yours, but I'm going to try to walk you through what I did to resolve my own problem here. First off, you'll sign into your YouTube account. Once you get in there, go to Creator Studio. We're going to show you what happens when we try it in one step and what we do in a second step. Go to your Creator Studio. Once you get there, go to your videos. Let me try to zoom it in so you can get a better view of this. Now once you get into your Creator Studio, say for instance I want to work with this one right here, Don Rich Induction into the Louisiana Hall of Fame. I want to edit it, and I want to put a picture in there that's different than what is showing in the thumbnail. Now you'll go to that video, and once you get into it, you're going to run over here to Custom Thumbnail, and you'll go to wherever you got your thumbnail. Mine is saved on my desktop. And once you get to that, you find the image that you want to put in there, and this is going to be it right here. So I click on that, and I take it back down to the error message, and it's telling you unexpected end of JSON input, or JSON input. I have tried everything in the world to resolve this problem and really gotten nowheres. Alright, let me show you what I've done to change this. I'm going to get out of this one here right now. I'm going to close it down. I'm going to go back to Video Manager. Now I'm going to downsize. Right now I'm in Google Chrome. Now I'm going to open up Mozilla Firefox. Of course, I don't use Mozilla, and I'm not going to set it as my default. So I'm in there. Now I'm going to sign back into Gmail, or actually YouTube. Okay, now I'm in YouTube, but I'm in YouTube in actually Mozilla Firefox. I'm going to go right back over here. Let's zoom it a little bit there. To my Creator Studio. And now that I'm in my Creator Studio, I'm going to blow this up so y'all can see it better. I know there's been some people out there with videos that you can't really see what they're doing. I'm trying to make this where you can. Go to the edit button of the video that you're trying to change. You'll do the same thing. You'll go back to Custom Thumbnail. Now keep in mind, we're in actually Mozilla right now. I'm going to go back to the video that I'm trying to download, which is on my desktop. I'm going to click it, introducing end screens for videos. Don't worry about that. Go right back down to where you see choose image. The video is there. Now I'm going to save the changes. And that's basically all I did. Was I got out of the Google Chrome and used Mozilla Firefox to resolve the issue. Now it takes a little while for those photos to actually change over, but folks, that's on a ball of wax. That's all I did. Was I didn't use the actual Google Chrome. I went to Mozilla Firefox and was able to eliminate that unexpected end of JSON input fault that I was getting, back there on when I was working with the not the Mozilla, but when I was working with the Chrome. Now as you see, I went back to that page where that video is at, and it has already changed it out. It'll be this video right here. As you see, I'll click on it. I'm going to hit the edit. Now it'll take a while probably for this image to change, but the custom image is there, so it will eventually show up in YouTube. Well, folks, I hope this short video helped you in resolving this issue. I know I've been dealing with it for quite some time and got real frustrated, you know. I kept working and working and working and working, and then I just finally said, you know what, let's just try something different. So we just changed a different browser, and by changing the browser, it resolved our problems. Would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button. Also, check out our channel. It's under Larry Sbrusch, Larry Sbrusch. If you see something you like, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We're always uploading something pretty cool and nifty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit the like and subscribe button. Stay tuned for our future videos here on YouTube. Y'all have a great day.